Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring you have root privileges and a backup of existing storage configuration. Open Setedit now and load the system configuration file you will edit. Identify the block device and choose a mount point directory. Create it if missing. Once done, pick the file system type and note UUID or device path. This prepares the exact values you will enter. Make sure the device is not mounted to avoid conflicts before proceeding to modify entries. You now add the new storage line inside Setedit using the identified UUID or device path and the mount point you created. Specify file system type and choose mount options. Use defaults for simplicity or no time for performance. Then set dump and pass numbers so file system checks run correctly. Once the line is added, run Setedit syntax checker or a dry run to validate. If errors show, correct fields. This prevents boot time failures and keeps the system consistent. You finish by saving the configuration in Setedit and applying it with mount so the system attempts the new mount immediately. Then verify with DFH to confirm available space and LSLA to inspect file visibility and permissions. Make sure ownership and modes match intended use. Change them if necessary. If the mount fails, check dmesc and Setedit logs for kernel or syntax errors, unmount and fix the entry. Then retry. This single troubleshooting step resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.